Danielle here from Blackrock Castle Observatory scicomm team, and we're out talking about a really cool project. BCO has teamed up with the Cork City Council, City Center Placemaking Fund, the Walls Project, and this incredible artist here, Curtis. And he was been working the last 3 days on this incredible mural behind us. Absolutely fantastic. You want to tell us a little bit about the project?
So the project came about, basically I did a project with Waterford Walls. I was painting at a festival last year, and I believe the council got in touch with them to accommodate this, and then they got in contact with me. It's an environmental project, which is right up my street. That's the kind of work that I've been doing the past 2-3 years now.
Oh, cool.
So yeah, it's perfectly right.
Yeah, can you tell us a little bit about what it is? Like, why did you choose this specifically, and what are the elements in there?
Yeah, so the idea is to obviously highlight the issues of plastic and netting and everything, and all types of pollution in our oceans and rivers. So yeah, we have a kingfisher emerging from the water, and it's got elements of plastic in its mouth. So I've tried to make a fish out of plastic bottles and plastic bags, and towards the bottom of the kingfisher I've sort of intertwined the wings with ghost netting, obviously again just to further highlight the fact of plastics and trash in our rivers and oceans.
So Curtis, what sort of an impact are you looking to have with this kind of art?
So with any project, obviously it's a public mural, so you want to keep elements of beauty to sort of keep everyone happy and keep it a nice space, but at the same time it's got the underlining message as well of, like I said, highlighting the issues of plastic. So yeah, as long as people stop, take it in, and leave with some sort of emotion, then it's a job well done, I think.
Yeah, and really highlighting the use of like single-use plastics and where that ends up later and how it affects the environment.
Exactly.
Yeah. Well, thank you so much for taking the time out to talk to us. Thank you for this beautiful transformation of the entrance to the Paul Street car park. It's completely different.
It's been an absolute pleasure. It's been awesome. And yeah, hopefully it's going to for years to come.
Making Cork a beautiful place.